Hello and welcome to a brief overview of creating a maintenance ticket in Axxerion.
This is in a demo site and we're going to log in as a requester. When the requester logs in, the home page is displayed. The home page is automatically configured for the requester. The name of the requester is on the upper right hand side. There are a few shortcut tiles for performing different functions, such as creating a new ticket, looking at the contacts, vendors, and suppliers, creating a new purchase request, looking at documents, and then the help for the system. This is completely configurable based on what's needed. And then there are two panels. One panel contains all the tickets that are submitted by this requester, and the other panel is a dashboard of the summary of the requests in different statuses: submit, handle, escalated. Now let's create a new ticket. To create a new ticket, we're just going to click the Request Plus tile. This would automatically display a new ticket. The new ticket is already filled in by some of the data, as the tracking number of the request is in the status of draft. It shows the type of request that is created, and this is adjustable and configurable. The time and date of the request, the name of the requester, and this can be changed if you're submitting this on behalf of somebody else. So this is the requester section. And in the request section, there are some fields to be filled out. There's the request itself. There's a freehand text. So room too hot, for example. And then the problem type, which is a dropdown. And dropdown comes with some problem types already selected in the system, and then you can add additional ones or modify them as you need to. So we pick heating and cooling. If there's a subproblem, it would be displayed over here, or it would be selectable over here. If there are no subproblems, this would be cleared out. There's a priority. The user can pick a priority, and it can be adjusted later on if need be by the managers. Any of these fields can be made required. That would show up with the asterisk in front of it, or be optional, which is like without the asterisk. If this user is in one location, one building, or one property, it would automatically be selected. If this user has access to more than one property, then you can select, the user can select the property that this issue relates to. Once you select a property, the areas within that property are selectable. So you can select the office, or corridor, or space, or conference room, whatever the location of the problem is. Similarly, you can pick the assets that are related, that are filtered for that area, or you can leave it blank. Now, within this request page, you have a space at the bottom that you can type in any open format, free text that you would like. So say, for example, please send some help as soon as possible. Okay, so this is a user sending this request that would be sent over to the management. You can also upload documents and pictures. If this request is done on a mobile device, you can take pictures on your mobile device and it would automatically come in. If it's done on a browser like this one, you can always click the select and you go to a page where you can drag and drop or select files to be uploaded. You can upload as many files as you like. We're going to go to some example documents and see if we could pull in a picture. I'm going to bring in a picture of a air conditioner, and then we dragged and dropped it. Select this to be the main photo of the ticket, and it's shown up there in our photo thumbnail. So this request is now ready to be submitted. If there are any additional documents can be brought in, additional text can be put in, and then there are two green buttons: cancel and submit. So depending on who you are and what role you have and what the status your request is, these green buttons would be displayed. So we're going to be submitting this. Click submit. And now the request has been submitted, is sitting on the list of requests, and the status is submitted. As soon as these requests are attended to and the status is changed, it automatically would be reflected and updated over here.
Axxerion's maintenance management is a comprehensive environment and modules for certificates, work orders, asset management, inventory management, preventing maintenance, load balancing on the technicians and vendors, timesheets, reports, dashboards, and complete financials. Please contact Axxerion for more detailed information.